In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a car's number plate in a video using Davinci Resolve 16. Blurring sensitive information like a license plate is important for privacy reasons. Whether you're making a home video or publishing content online, Davinci Resolve 16 offers an efficient way to achieve this, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's open up Davinci Resolve. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from Blackmagic Design's website. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted by the project manager where you choose a project to work on. Here, either create a new project or open an existing one where your video is stored. Now that your project is open, navigate to the color page. This part of Davinci Resolve is designed specifically for enhancing and correcting the color in your footage, but it also has some powerful tracking and effects tools which we'll make use of today. Next, locate and click on the Window tool. The Window tool is essential because it allows you to draw shapes around the parts of your video you want to target with effects, such as blurring in this case. You'll notice several options such as circular, square, and custom shapes. Choose a shape that best fits the license plate you need to blur. Once you've selected your shape, position and resize it over the number plate. It's important to ensure that it covers the entire area you intend to blur for complete privacy. Once your window shape is in place, the next step is to head over to the Blur tool. Click on this option and you'll see different blur levels and settings appear. Increase the blur level until the license plate is no longer readable. You might have to adjust it according to your specific needs or preferences for how strong you want the blur to be. To ensure the blur tracks the number plate throughout the video, you need to use the tracker feature. With the window still selected, find the tracker in the toolbar. Click on it and Davinci Resolve will automatically track the movement of the license plate, keeping the blur in place even as the car moves. This is one of the incredible features of Davinci Resolve, allowing your edits to be seamless without requiring frame-by-frame adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the blur effect and have played through your video to check its accuracy, you're ready to render your project. Save your work and export your video, ensuring all changes are applied. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to blur a car number plate using Davinci Resolve 16. This technique keeps your content secure and respects privacy. Thanks for watching and happy editing.